Honda's new Super One EV shocks Japan. Mazda CX-70 could be the best handling SUV of 2026. And Triumph is coming for Yamaha's retro crown. Plus, Sergio Perez says he's out to prove everyone wrong ahead of his Cadillac F1 comeback. Let's roll! This is All Things Motoring News, powered by South Africa's #1 vehicle buying service, We Buy Cars. Honda Super One electric fun with a twist. Straight out of the Japan Mobility Show, the Honda Super One is shaking up the small EV scene. It's got a boost mode, a virtual 7-speed gearbox, and even simulated engine sounds for that sporty feel, all while staying perfectly city-friendly. It's launching across Asia under the Super One badge, and in the UK it'll be called the Super N. Would you daily drive an EV that sounds like a petrol car? Mazda CX-70, the SUV that drives like a sports car. Mazda's CX-70 is rewriting the rules for crossovers. It rides on Mazda's large vehicle platform with a rear-based all-wheel drive layout and a turbo inline-six. Not something you see every day in this segment. Translation: a family SUV that actually feels alive behind the wheel. Is this the start of the performance comeback for Mazda? Yamaha vs Triumph, the neo-retro showdown. If you love classic looks with modern muscle, here's the headline. Yamaha's XSR 900 is finally getting real competition. Triumph's new Trident 800, built on an all-new 800cc platform, is gunning straight for Yamaha's turf, replacing the old street triple 765R and adding a serious dose of British attitude. So, are you Team Yamaha or Team Triumph? Sergio Perez redemption mode activated. Sergio Perez has spoken and he's fired up. Ahead of his Cadillac F1 return, he says fans will be surprised by how competitive he'll be. After being dropped by Red Bull in 2024, the 35-year-old Mexican is back with something to prove. He'll even take part in the TPC test in Imola, driving a Ferrari-powered Cadillac prototype. Can Checo pull off one of the greatest comebacks in F1? The motoring world is moving fast. Blink and you'll miss it. This has been All Things Motoring News. See you Wednesday. All Things Motoring News, proudly brought to you by We Buy Cars. We Buy Cars. When you want to sell, they want to buy.